moves in recognizing the birth of a massive transnational market for growth by establishing the first Indian-U.S. jointly owned ventures. Now, since those early days, two historic processes that are often talked about to explain the United States' positive relationship with India today are the impact of Manmohan Singh's economic reforms under India's Narasimha Rao government in the 1990s, which led to massive privatization, FDI, GDP growth, and the expansion of India's middle-class consumer base, and the massive simultaneous growth of the IT sector in the 1990s and the BPO sector in India in the 2000s, which allowed for unprecedented partnerships of mutual gain between the U.S. and Indian businesses. Consider the case of Gurgaon, often called the Millennium City, for how it went from being essentially a collection of rural villages and farmlands to one of India's leading financial cities, all in under the span of 2 decades. It's the most poignant proof of how dramatically things are changing in India due to economic growth and an openness to FDI from its friends and the international community. Such recent developments in relations between two great powers have captivated audiences globally. As India rises to become one of the dominant players in the international system by 2030, history has gradually tied the fortunes and the cultures of Indians and Americans together. President Obama's visit on Republic Day resulted in the renewal of the U.S.-India Defense Framework Agreement and the reconfirmation of the Defense Trade and Technology Initiative. This will create the framework for U.S.-owned defense companies such as Lockheed Martin to expand their scope of operation in India soil in joint stock ventures. Enhanced bilateral cooperation in the defense trade is but a microcosm of the massive India-U.S. partnership for growth across numerous sectors of the Indian economy that the government of India has created through the Make in India campaign, launched in September 2014. And IT, finance, electronics, to name just a few, are considered real growth prospects.